Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on this pattern, and I started thinking I did something really wrong. Well, not wrong, but if you look at this one is comprised of some lines, and we're going to take it and we're going to intersect it. And then when we take the intersection, we have lines past our fill. That's because it's a line. So that was kind of part of the problem yesterday. If we control D and make a duplicate of it and move it down, there was a little bit of a space and the lines just don't match up perfectly. So if you take this, and I'm just gonna start from scratch. And if I would have done this in the first place, it wouldn't have mattered. So I'm gonna go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. I've got my nudge factor set on 12 inches. I'm gonna take these lines and I'm gonna move them out of the way. Make sure I get all of them. And now if I take all these lines and go up to Object and convert the outlines to an object, I'm going to go ahead and Control G to group those and then move them back and then go ahead and Control G to group that. And this is already at a funny angle, but it doesn't really matter. I'm going to Control G and then move that to here, to that node, and rotate it 90 degrees. You can see that the lines are boxed in making this a lot better. So if we take that and we'll group it together, Control G, we'll go ahead and take the same thing. I'm going to hit this, hold down the Shift key and select EC to put that in the center. And now if I select them all and go to intersect, the lines are clean and crisp and right on the money. So when we do it now, Control D, and mirror it over, I'm still going to have that little bit of space, but the lines match up. So we could take our nudge factor and set it on 0.01 and just minutely just move that twice, and the lines still match up, but the little line from basically it's a line from the hairline, and you can make it go away. Anyway, so if you ever decide to draw that or something like that, think about turning your lines into an object. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.